Just going through exercise 10.08, and we're just doing at the moment we'll get down to question 3. It says you borrow $200 from your parents, you buy a cell phone, they charge you 10% interest. How much do you have to repay altogether? So again, same stuff as always, but this time we've got one more step to take. So let's write down the details. So this is going to be exercise 10.08, and we're going to do question 3. So in this case, we've got, and let's look at the metrics here, we've got $200 from parents, 10% interest. So we're going to borrow, the principal amount is $200. So it's $200 to buy a cell phone. Pretty cheap cell phone these days. At 10% interest, so the rate is 10%. So of course we change this immediately to 0.1. That's 10% because we've moved the decimal place 2 spaces. We get 0.1. So of course we've got the interest rate is equal to the principal times the rate times the time. Time's irrelevant in this case, so we're just going to put a 1 because it's just pay them off when you can type thing. So all we're doing is we're adding 10% to the 200. So we're going to end up, the interest is going to be principal 200 times 0.1. We can put 1 if you like at the end. But we've got one more step after this. So we've got 200 times 0.1. So that's going to be $20. Now, there's an added component to this. And that is, they said, how much do you have to repay altogether? So we have to repay, of course, the initial $200, plus we're going to give them an extra 20. So we repay is equal to $200 plus the $20, which was interest, and we're going to give them $220 back. So this is the principal plus the interest, and that comes to $220.